in sports. In this chapter, we are going to study define test, measurement and evaluation. Importance of test, measurement and evaluation in sports. Calculation of BMI and waist-hip ratio, somatotypes, endomorphy, mesomorphy and ectomorphy. Procedures of anthropometric measurement, height, weight, arm and leg length. Introduction. People vary in height, shape, speed, strength, etc. It is important to set objectives that we want to fulfill in physical education and sports programs. So, to determine whether or not the program's objectives have been met, the test and measurement techniques are applied. Let us study about such techniques in this chapter. Define test, measurement and evaluation. These are the devices for collecting details regarding the needs, capacities, abilities and attitudes of sportspersons. Let's define test, measurement and evaluation in next slides. Test. A test is a tool which is used to evaluate the skills, performance and reliability of the task completed by a sportsperson. According to H. M. Barrow and McGee, test refers to any specific instrument, procedure or technique used by an administrator to elicit a response from the test taker. A test may be subjective or objective in a realm of an activity. Measurement is different from test. Let's see how is it. Measurement. According to Barry L. Johnson and Jack Nelson, measurement aids evaluation process in which various tools and techniques are used in collection of data. In simple words, measurement is a process by which the level of performance, fitness, ability, knowledge, personality, and skills are measured with the help of various tests. Evaluation. According to Barrow and McGee, it is the process of education that involves collection of data from the products which can be used for comparison with preconceived criteria to make judgment. In short, evaluation is a systemic determination of a subject's merit, worth and significance using criteria governed by a set of standards. It becomes very difficult to determine the level of achievement of various objectives without test, measurement and evaluation. So, let's study the importance of test, measurement and evaluation in next slides. Importance of test, measurement and evaluation in sports. Teachers can get appropriate knowledge about the progress of students. With the help of test, measurement and evaluation, an effective planning can be done. Teachers can understand the abilities and capacities of students. Teachers can identify the strengths, weaknesses and diagnosis of students. Sportsman comes to know his or her level of performance. Sportspersons can be classified into homogeneous groups if required. These tools help in projecting the performance of sportsmen in future. These are significant tools in research and experimentation in the field of physical education and sports. If you want additional information to evaluate your health, your doctor can suggest more accurate tests, that is, calculation of BMI and waist-hip ratio. Let's see what these are. Calculation of BMI and waist-hip ratio. These are helpful for determining whether a person is carrying weight in a healthy way or not. Knowing BMI and waist-to-hip measurements can be useful, though just for slightly different purposes. Calculation of BMI. It is the value derived from the mass, weight and height of an individual. It is also known as Quetelet Index because it was invented by Adolphe Quetelet. BMI of any individual can be calculated with the help of the following formula. Let us understand BMI with the help of an example. Suppose an individual's body weight is 60 kilograms and his height is 1.5 meter. Now, these values are computed in the formula. With the help of WHO criteria, an individual may know about his or her categories. During BMI measurements. The body weight must be taken on a reliable weight machine. One must wear minimum required clothes while taking body weight. Height should be measured barefooted. Of waist-hip ratio. The waist-hip ratio or waist-to-hip ratio (WHR) is the dimensionless ratio of the circumference of the waist to that of the hips. It's not only the amount of body fat we have, but also where in our body the fat is stored that impacts our health. This is calculated as waist measurement divided by hip measurement, W divided by H. WHR has been used as an indicator or measure of health and the risk of developing serious health conditions. For example, a person with 70 cm waist and 98 cm hips has a waist-hip ratio of about 0.71. The following table may be helpful to know the degree of the health risk. Test yourself. What is waist-to-hip ratio (WHR) of a person, male, with a 74 cm waist and 98 cm hips? A. 0.76, B. 0.78, C. 0.73, D. 0.82. Hint: WHR is equal to weight divided by age. Is A. 0.76. Explanation: weight-hip ratio is equal to waist circumference upon hip circumference. WHR is equal to 78 cm upon 98 cm. WHR is equal to 0.76. It means that the individual male is not at health risk. In case of a male, if the waist hip is more than 1.0, he is at health risk. Types: endomorphy, mesomorphy and ectomorphy. It is a fact that no two persons are alike. Some are tall and some are very short. Some are fat and some are thin. No doubt there are individual differences, but even then there are similarities. On the basis of similar traits, some of the psychologists classify individuals on the basis of physical, mental and practical aspects. Let's study the classification that is stated on the next slides. Classification by Hippocrates. He was a famous physician of Greece. He is often referred to as the father of medicine. He suggested that there are 4 fundamental personality types. These are phlegmatic, sanguine, choleric, melancholic. A phlegmatic individual tends to be relaxed, peaceful, quiet and easygoing. They are ideal, passive, lethargic and spiritless. They are physically fit and powerful. They remain active and perform any work quickly. They have optimistic views about life. They tend to be more extroverted and enjoy being part of a crowd. Such people are described as being independent, decisive, and goal-oriented. They are physically strong and powerful but emotionally weak. They are physically and mentally weak. Such people are analytic and practice contemplation. They are introverted and try to avoid being singled out in a crowd. By Ernst Kretschmer. Ernst was a German psychiatrist. His classification of individuals was based on 3 main body types. Picnic. Short-statured with round head and face. They are stocky and fatty. Asthenic. Tall and slim and have weak body structure. Athletic. They have broad shoulders, strong body structure, powerful muscles, and intelligent. By William Herbert Sheldon. Somatotype is a taxonomy developed by American psychologist William Herbert Sheldon to categorize the human physique. He named these after the three germ layers of embryonic development: the endoderm, the mesoderm, and the ectoderm. They have lots of body fat, lots of muscle, and gain weight easily. Mesomorph. They are athletic, solid, and strong. They both gain and lose weight without too much effort. Ectomorph. They are long and lean with little body fat and little muscle. They have a hard time gaining weight. Dr. Sheldon evaluated the degree a body type was present on a 1 to 7 scale. Let's study measuring somatotype in next slides. Somatotype or body type. Body type is measured by using Heath-Carter measurement. In each of these three categories, someone is generally classified on a scale from 1 to 7. The three numbers together give a somatotype number, with the endomorphy score first, then mesomorphy, and finally ectomorphy. Example 171, always in the same order. The scores may also be plotted on somatograph, representing the somatotype on a two-dimensional scale. For example, 171 means 1. Low endomorphy, 7. High mesomorphy, and 1. Low ectomorphy. Of anthropometric measurement: height, weight, arm and leg length. Anthropometric measurement of height, weight, arm and leg length, waist circumference are significant indicators of health. It helps us to know the physical growth and development, health problems, and nutritional status of children and adults. Measurement of height. The child should be asked to remove their shoes and heavy garments. The child should be asked to stand with his or her back to the height rule. The back of the head, back, buttocks, calves, and heels should be touching the upright feet together. The headpiece of the stadiometer of the measuring rod is lowered. Height is recorded to the nearest half a centimeter. Measurement of weight. The child should remove their shoes. The child should stand in the center of the platform of the weighing machine. The weight is recorded to the resolution of the scale. Read the measurement to the nearest 10 grams. Measurement of arm length. Stand up straight. The arm length is measured by putting the tape from acromion process above the shoulder joint to the tip of middle finger. It is measured to the half centimeter. Measurement of upper arm length. The child is right with body weight distributed on both the feet. The right arm should be bent 90 degrees at the elbow. The palm should be facing upward. Hold the zero end of the tape on the acromion process and extend the tape down to the tip of the olecranon process. Take the measurement to the nearest 0.1 centimeter. Measurement of leg length. It can be measured by using flexible steel tape from the outside edge of center of the foot to the upper edge of the trochanter. Measurement of upper leg length. Bend the knee at 90-degree angle and sit up straight. Measure the upper leg length from inguinal crease to the proximal borders of patella to the nearest of 0.1 centimeter. Test yourself. According to Sheldon's research on body types, a medium weight muscular type is called A. Ectomorph, B. Mesomorph, C. Endomorph, D. Phlegmatic. Hint: best to weight training. Answer is B. Mesomorph. Explanation. They are athletic, solid and strong. They both gain and lose weight without too much effort. They are the best body type for bodybuilding. They find it quite easy to gain and lose weight. This chapter. Test, measurement and evaluation are the devices for collecting essential details about the need and capacities of sportspersons. The degree of health risk can be estimated by using BMI and WHR. Somatotype is a taxonomy developed by American psychologist William Herbert Sheldon to categorize the human physique. Sheldon claimed that there are three such somatotypes: endomorphy, mesomorphy, and ectomorphy. Anthropometric measurements of height, weight, arm, leg length, etc. are significant indicators of health.